Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm planning to make a delicious barley salad. It's summertime, so I decided to make barley salad. It's very summery, fresh salad. I'm gonna be using lots of vegetable, fresh fruit, lots of fresh ingredients. It's gonna be very delicious. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for this recipe, first we're gonna boil some barley. I already wash and soak already. 1 cup of barley. I'm gonna add it to the water. And also I'm gonna add some salt. Let it boil for 25 to 30 minutes. It will take until it's nice and tender. So while our barley is boiling, I'm gonna cut some vegetable. So our barley is nicely cooked. I rinse it in the cold water and drain all the water out. It's nice and fluffy. You can see it looks so fluffy. So now we're gonna mix all the ingredients for the salad. So I have some chopped onion. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of chopped onion. Around 3 tablespoons of sweet corn. Mango, 2 tablespoons. Diced mango. Green onion. Everything is same amount. Red pepper. Diced cucumber. Diced tomatoes. And cilantro. Chopped cilantro. And I have a raisin, dry raisin. So I'm gonna put that also. So we're gonna combine everything. So everything nicely combined. So I'm gonna do some seasoning. Salt. Black pepper. Lemon juice. Some rice vinegar. Couple of tablespoons. Honey, 1 teaspoon. And also olive oil, about 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna mix everything. I'm gonna give a taste. Tastes absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna do some presentation. I'm gonna pour our salad into the salad bowl. And I have some garnishes here. I'm gonna put some garnishes. Little rosette, tomato rosette. The fresh cilantro leaf. And I have some leftover chopped up garnishes I'm gonna put on the top. Just give you extra. So our salad is ready. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, looks so delicious. Please do try this recipe. It's pretty easy to make, and whatever fresh ingredients available to you, you can use that. And also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you like our video, consider subscribe our channel. I will be back pretty soon. Take care of yourself, stay safe. Allah Hafiz everyone.